Today's video is YAZIO versus Cal AI. Which calorie tracking app is better? Choosing the right calorie tracker can transform how you manage your nutrition without overwhelming complexity. We'll look at YAZIO and Cal AI side by side. YAZIO and Cal AI are both calorie tracking apps designed to help you monitor your diet and reach health goals. The core difference lies in YAZIO's comprehensive meal planning versus Cal AI's AI-powered personalized insights. YAZIO is a popular calorie tracker and nutrition app focused on simplicity and comprehensive meal planning. It lets users log meals easily, track calories, macros, and micronutrients, and offers a large food database with barcode scanning. The app also includes personalized meal plans for weight loss, muscle gain, or maintenance, alongside fasting timers and recipes. YAZIO works by allowing users to input daily food intake and activity levels, then provides detailed reports to help stay on track. Its strengths include an intuitive interface, extensive food database, and built-in meal planning tools that suit beginners and those wanting structured guidance. However, limitations include a premium subscription required for advanced features like detailed nutrient tracking and personalized plans. YAZIO is ideal for users who want a straightforward calorie counter with meal planning options and are comfortable with occasional subscription fees to unlock full functionality. Cal AI is an innovative calorie tracking app that leverages artificial intelligence to provide personalized nutrition insights. It uses AI to analyze your eating habits and suggests adjustments to improve diet quality and reach goals more efficiently. The app simplifies food logging with a smart assistant that recognizes foods from photos or text input, reducing manual entry. Cal AI tracks calories, macros, and offers real-time feedback on nutritional balance, making it a dynamic tool for users seeking data-driven guidance. Strengths include its AI-powered personalization, ease of use, and adaptive recommendations that evolve with your progress. On the downside, Cal AI's food database is smaller compared to traditional trackers, which may affect accuracy for less common foods. It also requires an internet connection for AI features. Cal AI suits users who prefer cutting-edge technology and personalized coaching over manual meal planning, especially those comfortable with AI-driven apps and looking for adaptive nutrition support. YAZIO and Cal AI both help track calories and macros but appeal to different needs. YAZIO excels with its extensive food database and structured meal plans, making it perfect for users who want clear meal guidance and offline access. Its barcode scanner and fasting timer add practical value. Cal AI stands out with its AI-driven personalized recommendations, offering dynamic feedback based on your habits, ideal for users who want a smart assistant to guide nutrition choices. However, Cal AI's smaller food database may limit accuracy, especially for diverse diets. YAZIO requires a premium subscription for full features, while Cal AI depends on internet connectivity for AI functions. If you prefer a traditional tracker with meal plans, YAZIO is strong. If you want adaptive AI insights and simplified logging, Cal AI is the better fit. Both apps trade off between comprehensive planning and AI personalization. Choose YAZIO if you want a reliable calorie tracker with extensive meal planning, offline use, and detailed nutrient tracking, especially if you value structured guidance. Opt for Cal AI if you prefer AI-powered, personalized nutrition advice and easy food logging with smart features. It's ideal for users seeking adaptive, data-driven support to optimize their diet with minimal manual effort.